What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. This is an awesome bike, guys. It's going to be one of the more inexpensive bikes we have. This is a great starter bike or a mid-level bike. Somebody's jumping from a 250 or a 650. Want something a little bit bigger, they can go 2 up. It's an older bike. It's an 06. It's not old, but it's definitely got its use. You can see there's some scratches on the pipes there, down there. You know, the bags are worn. You got some fraying in the stitching there, scuffs. But this is the perfect bike for someone who's looking for an inexpensive, super reliable bike. We got some chipping on the back fender there. So just know what you're getting, but I love these bikes. We got some tears in that sissy bar. Here's the big deal with these bikes. If they fire up good, if they run good, if, the bike, it's got good tires on it, which this one's got, you're probably going to want to get new tires on this bike. But it's going to be super inexpensive. But if they, if they run good, that's all that matters. You put some new tires on it, bada bing, bada boom. Scratch right there, scratch on the front fender, scratches. You can see there's scratches. It's from Used Bike Emporium, Hanover, Maryland. I probably won't put a brand new tire on it, but I'm going to price it so that if you put a brand new tire on it, you're still going to be getting a killer deal on this bike. Some people are picky about their tires, and I'll probably just put on whatever is efficient. But you can see, some little stuff. It's missing some studs here. It's got scratches on the top of the bag. But look at this. It's got, top of the tank is in good shape. It's got 27,000 on it. And it fires up literally right away. It's ejected. It runs like a beast. This bike was back on the trailer. I didn't ride it around. I didn't really do anything. It runs like a beast. I haven't had it on the tender or anything. So you can tell it's a good, strong running bike. They probably just put a new battery in it. But, like I said, 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. You might want to get a new front tire. Let's check out that back tread real quick. Yeah, you probably want to get a rear tire as well. But I'm going to price it accordingly. If I were to put tires on it, I will definitely make it known. But the price will definitely go up a little bit. Well, yeah, I'm just going to sell it as is for right now, unless, you want it and you want me to put a tire on it, then we can talk about that. But, like I said, guys, 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. Like I said, it's going to need 2 new tires. It's got some scratches on it. I'll let you guys know if I put tires on it, or if you want to, call in, we can work something out. But thanks a ton for watching, guys. Definitely make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. Sean's going to be riding it. Check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as check out the website, Srkcycles.com. I got like 60 bikes on there right now, 50 bikes on there right now. It's definitely going to go up, so stay tuned, and thanks so much for watching, guys.